Dr. Snowballs fixed a no cooling issue on a rooftop unit today, and it all started with checking power at the contactor. Before every rooftop call, hydration is key, especially in this Texas heat. This quick trip unit was dead. No fan, no compressor, no cooling. First step, rule out power issues. He opened the panel and checked incoming voltage across the contactor. Each leg showed 240 volts. This confirms the unit's getting power, so now we look further down the line. Could be a compressor wiring harness or the compressor. When your AC stalls, call Dr. Snowballs, serving Hearst, Euless, and Bedford with precision diagnostics and professional care.